welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, DIY with Anais. I hope you're doing amazing. It's been a minute, but I missed y'all, so I hope you're doing great. I am back at it with another video. Born Pretty sent me these cute little bottles of gel polish. This is the glitter collection, and I'm super excited to show you how cute these are. I did a beautiful look, so I'm gonna go ahead and just get right to it. So Born Pretty, I'm going to put all the information down below, but they sell a lot of great nail things like gels and such, so I'll link everything down below. But this kit is the reflective glitter gel kit, and let me tell y'all, it's super glittery, so it's really not gonna disappoint. The lettering, it was kind of hard to read, so I think this one's called the Vast Dream. Then we have another that is called Dream of Space, and these are super glittery, y'all. Like, you will not be disappointed. This one is Fire Tree. I was surprised that the lettering was not on the bottom. It usually is, but it was cool in the back. Bright Sparklers. So these packets usually come in a pack of 6, and I'm going to swatch them now. The consistency was on the thicker side, however they are very pigmented for glitters. I was very shocked. I did 2 coats and I was good, y'all. This one has like more of like a purple tint, but also a gray tint. You'll see them more when they come to life when it's 2 coats, because when you do the 2 coats, like, you see the true color. But anyhow, look how gorgeous, like, it has like that beautiful holographic glitter. Fire Tree is gorgeous. It has all the same consistencies. This one is more on the pink side. Look how gorgeous that is. When you put 2 coats, it looks kind of like a dark, deep red. But it does have like the hints of glitter that are pink, and there's silver specks in there as well. So you'll really get the full picture when I do the second coat. But these colors are gorgeous. The next color that I'm going to show y'all is Dream of Space. And this one is more like a silvery color, but mixed with a champagne, and it's so gorgeous. Like, this color reminded me of like New Year's Eve, because you know those colors are usually like golds and champagnes and coppers, so it was honestly so gorgeous. Idyllic World, and this one was more on the silvery side. Look how gorgeous. Oh, look at that, mixed in with some red. Now, it kind of, on camera, it kind of looks similar to the second one, but I promise you in person it's really not. It's just a tad darker than the second one. Like, this one's more like a deep brown if I put more shades, but other than that, it's really pretty. And then Snow in the Vast Area. This one is so gorgeous. So the undertones are blue, and they have holographic on the undertones, so it's super gorgeous. I ended up mixing this color together with the first swatch because I just loved the whole vibe. The last one is the Vast Area, and sorry if I'm messing up these names, y'all, because they're just so tiny. But this one is really pretty as well. This one has like blue undertones, kind of like a cool blue, which is really pretty. I'm going to show y'all how it came out when I do my 2 coats. But I cure this for 60 seconds and it cures really well. But that's how it looks when it's 2 coats. Look how gorgeous. Honestly, so pigmented, and I just love the application. The application was very smooth and it wasn't hard to deal with as a product whole. But I will link everything down below so y'all can go check that out. This one This set is called the Reflective Glitter Set, and I will link their Instagram as well down below. Alright, y'all, so I went ahead and did the Apres Dupe, and I used a 3-in-1 with the Brano brand and just pretty much did a thin layer on these full cover gel tips, and then just put them on and put a little blue light or LED light and just cured them on my nail. And y'all, don't judge my bare nails. I am trying to give them a break. I've been doing my nails non-stop. I just haven't been showing y'all. I promise it's all for a good reason. Y'all will see soon why. Like I said in the beginning, I'm using the dark gray and like the kind of reflective holographic blue, and I'm aiming to do ombres for most of these nails, and I totally winged how to do it because they're glitters. I honestly didn't really think that any other method would be any different, because they're just honestly so blendable and super easy to use. So it was not hard at all. So basically, I just brushed on the tip the color that I wanted, and then I did a quick UV light, and then I did that about like 2 or 3 times because I wanted the blending to be perfect. So I used the lighter color and just blended it down. So kind of like when I'm doing polygel, I'm blending up, blending down. So that's basically the gist of it. And then I am curing in between, making sure that each color is at least cured for 20 seconds before I start doing another layer. But pretty much just like this. For my index finger, I am doing the same thing. However, I'm using the pink glitter, and I am curing that, and then I am blending down that reflective blue that I used in the first nail. But I'm honestly so obsessed with these colors. My mom already asked me to do her nails with them, and they're just so pretty. Now, once I cured my nails, not my hands, my nails in the lamp, I cured that for 60 seconds. I'm going ahead and using my Jelly Nails glue. I have a code, a nice 10%. You y'all can go use that and go save some money. And I'm using also her gems that I purchased previously. I just thought that the copper would go really, really pretty with these glitters. So I'm just coming up with a quick design, and then I'm allowing that glue to dry, putting a top coat, y'all, and that's it. I'm just curing it for 60 seconds. I cure my nails once again for 60 seconds. It was a super quick look. You can literally just pop these on when you're trying to go out now that everything's open. Thank you again so much for watching my video. Make sure you comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're not a part of that DIY Familia, y'all already know what to do. Consider subscribing. As always, nos vemos en la próxima.